In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Hosting a File Manager step by step so you can quickly get into your website files without confusion. This is a simple but important task if you want to upload files, edit website content, manage folders, or troubleshoot your site directly from your Hostinger dashboard. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log in to your Hostinger account. Make sure you use the correct account that has access to the website you want to manage. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard. From here, look for the website section. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your website projects in one place. Now click on Websites. You should see a list of your sites if you have more than one connected to your account. Find the website you want to work on and click Dashboard next to that site. This takes you into the control panel for that specific website, which is where you can manage settings, tools, and files. Once you're inside the website dashboard, look for the File Manager option. In most cases, it will be easy to spot on the dashboard page. File Manager is the tool that lets you browse your hosting files directly from your browser without needing FTP or any external software. This is especially useful if you need to make quick edits or locate a specific file on your site. Go ahead and click on File Manager. After you open it, Hostinger will load your website's file structure. From here, you can view folders, open directories, and manage the files stored on your hosting account. Depending on what you need to do, you can use it to upload files, rename items, delete old files, or open important folders like public_HTML. If you're new to file management, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Usually, your main website files are stored in the public_HTML folder, so that's one of the first places you may want to check. Inside, you'll often find your WordPress files, HTML documents, images, and other assets connected to your website. If you ever can't find the file manager immediately, just make sure you're inside the correct website dashboard and not the main account overview. That's a common mistake, especially if you manage multiple sites. The key is to go to Websites, choose the correct site, open Dashboard, and then click File Manager. And that's it. You've now learned how to access Hosting a File Manager in just a few simple steps. Once you know where to find it, managing your website files becomes much easier and much faster. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Hostinger how-to guides.